In this episode, I'm about to tell you guys why every business needs to create a Pinterest account.
We come from poverty, man, we ain't have a thing.
So I don't know if you've seen or not, but there's a lot of people specifically in the affiliate marketing niche that are using Pinterest for their business. I was introduced to Pinterest business in that way. And from that, with my research, I figured out that if you're building a brand, if you have anything to offer and you have a website, if you need awareness, if you have a marketing situation where you need to bring awareness to your product, Pinterest is where you need to do it. Here's why.
With over 450 million monthly users, Pinterest remains one of the best ways to generate money for free on the internet right now.
So if you go to Pinterest and create an account, you have two options. You have the regular account for the regular people that scroll, pin, I like that recipe, scroll, pin, funny little dog, scroll, pin, I like that sweater. And then you have the option and ability to create a business account. And that's what I'm gonna need you to do. When you create a business account, you have the ability to now go on Pinterest and create whether picture pins or video pins, showcasing your product, showcasing what you have to offer, showcasing whatever it is that you want to bring attention to. You attach your website underneath, and then you start getting free millions of, this is how many people right there, I'm gonna put in how many people use Pinterest every day. That's how many people you can access for free. They're not charging, they're not having you pay to promote your post. They're literally giving you access to what Pinterest has become, the search engine that it's turned into, for free.
To them figures, yeah, when I was down, ain't nobody keep it real, yeah. Yes, we need it all, cause we ain't scared to pull the trigger, yeah. My yeah, remember hard nights when we was getting to them figures, yeah. When I was down, ain't nobody keep it real, yeah. Yes, we need it all, cause we ain't scared to pull the trigger,
But
yeah.
for a lot of people, the question is like, what do I post? How do I create it? Like the actual getting into it situation. I'm gonna give you a shortcut because this is the shortcut that I use, and I got my Pinterest up to around 100,000 monthly viewers, and then because it didn't convert, I was using Pinterest for affiliate marketing. So if that's what you're doing and you're using Pinterest for affiliate marketing, here's a few tips about that I want to give you.
That is affiliate marketing. I've been doing affiliate marketing for just under 3 years now and have made 6 figures with it already. So it's a 100% legit and proven business model that I can personally vouch for myself. Now, for those of you who don't know, affiliate marketing is basically where you get paid to promote other people's products. So basically you can get your custom affiliate links from any affiliate marketplace or affiliate program that links to a specific product. Now, when you promote that product, every time someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn a percentage of that sale. To implement affiliate links into your Pinterest, what you would do, because Pinterest is a photo and video based platform, is you would upload content that points people to your affiliate link.
Once you get it up, the conversion may not be what you want it to be, but I was definitely getting clicks. So don't discount the clicks that you're getting. My click-through rate was high, but if you're using Pinterest for affiliate marketing, you have to create a funnel. A lot of people are gonna leave at the beginning of the funnel simply because they don't wanna give their phone number and their name and their email address. But for the ones that stay, you have a person that's more interested in the product, that's more interested in the service, more interested in whatever it is that you said that you were offering because they went through the funnel. So at that point, you have the ability to take that information and follow up with them over time just to give them a little bit more information or come at it from a different angle. These are all the things that I didn't think about or consider. Number 2, the product that you're promoting. I know when you're doing Pinterest for affiliate marketing specifically, sorry for anybody that's not using Pinterest for affiliate marketing, but if you're using Pinterest for affiliate marketing, oftentimes the affiliate program that people recommend you go with is either ClickBank or Digistore 24. Both of those are trash, and because they're trash, a lot of times you got to go through a lot of steps of changing the website and hiding the fact that you're promoting these products just so your Pinterest account doesn't get banned. I have a link down below to the best affiliate program that I've found, and they have products in multiple different niches, and they don't pay you commissions on one way. You have up to 3 different ways to get paid. So visit the link down there if you want to explore what that product is. Now, let's get back to using Pinterest for business. And when you're using your Pinterest for business, this is how you run the numbers up without actually having to create. You go to TikTok, right? And let's say you sell pillowcases, if you sell headscarves, you sell beanies or jackets, you find entertaining or engaging videos about that somebody else already made, about what you do, about what you offer, about what you sell, that's going to entertain, make someone laugh, inform, educate, make someone see the product from another angle. Take the TikTok. But this is a mistake I see a lot of people make. They take the TikTok directly from TikTok and then post it on Pinterest. It's going to have the TikTok watermark. So I'm gonna let y'all in on a secret. I don't really like giving away the secrets, but I'm gonna let y'all in on a secret. Right there is the website that I use to steal the TikTok. I do this on my own TikTok. When I'm repurposing my TikToks to post them on other sites, I steal them from TikTok, but I gotta extract the watermark. That right there is the website that I use to make sure that the TikTok videos that I take don't have the watermark, enabling me to post it on whatever platform I want to post it on, including but not limited to Pinterest. That's going to give you content, the idea pin that you're going to post up and then send out to millions of people. They can engage with that content, hit the pin, attached to the pin is your website, and buy the product directly from there. It's mind-blowing that oftentimes us business owners don't use Pinterest. So with that being said, guys, please comment down below and let me know if you have a business and you don't have a Pinterest and you start. Let me know how your journey goes. I'm also going to put the link down to my Pinterest so you guys can see like the good mix that I have going on there of like my videos versus videos that I find that have to do with the niche in Pinterest that I want to serve. And then just check out what I have now. I think I got all the way down to like 10,000 monthly viewers because I left it alone for a long time. I'm getting it back up. So it's around 16 or 17,000 monthly viewers depending on the day. So I'm building it back up. So let me know what you guys think about my Pinterest program. Let me know if you do let me know what you do. If you have a Pinterest and you just use it for personal, you pin stuff that you think is cool and you didn't know that you could actually use Pinterest to promote stuff online and actually make money from Pinterest, or if you have a Pinterest situation going on, whether you use it for affiliate marketing or something else, what you got, man? What's your, you know what I'm saying? You got some motion? Let me know, man. You know what I'm saying? If you got some motion, let me know. But that right there is what we have to offer on this video, and we'll see you guys in a couple days. Hey, before you go, do the YouTube stuff, man. Hit the little box right there, and you know what I'm saying? Watch the next video, hit the little circle over there, do the subscribe stuff, man, and please comment down below whether negative or positive, man, because I've been seeing a couple of y'all, man. The last dude from the, you know what I'm saying? They been leaving the comment. I don't like, hey, whether you like it, you don't like it, let me know, and we can have a conversation about it. All right.